October 1st in Las Vegas, the big shooting in Las Vegas, I was actually shot through my knee. 58 people died that night. Happened to be a lucky survivor. And then 2 months later, on December 3rd, we lost our son. He died by suicide in 2017.
Breathe.
On top of that, disease-wise, I'm a type 1 diabetic on an insulin pump.
Yeah.
So that's what I have. That's what I have going on.
But do you want to end the diabetes?
I would love to.
Do you believe you can?
I know that I can.
Okay.
It is my pancreas that has to open back up.
I'm learning to feel supported.
I'm learning to feel supported.
Breathe. I'm learning to feel supported by the men in my life.
I'm learning to be supported by the men in my life. Bob Bradshaw, I'm from Simi Valley, California. I've been working with Human Garage for a little while online, and then I went to the Malibu event, so I was able to meet a couple of the instructors, specifically Jules, and worked with him one-on-one, and it really got me involved with what the Human Garage is all about and how transformative the mission is and how transformative it's actually made a difference in my life.
We got you. There it goes.
The tension's been released.
All the tension's gone, right?
Yeah.
Squat again. Okay.
I started at home. My wife kind of jumped in and started doing it, and she's like, I don't know how this works, why this works, but it does.
Just let it go. What was your son's name?
Joshua.
Thank you, Joshua. Thank you, Joshua.
Thank you, Joshua,
for being a part of my life.
For being a part of my life.
I still feel you.
I still feel you.
So part of the disease of the pancreas is the pancreas can't move. But there's 3 areas of the body, zone 1, zone 2, and zone 3. So every part of here, zone 1, has a relation in zone 2 and zone 3. Opening up, this one's not gonna hurt. You've been pretty good so far. Is anybody here a metaphysical anatomy expert? Yeah. What is pancreas? Love. Keep moving.
There's a lot of movement.
Yeah, keep moving. Keep moving. Just walk around. So when the body feels safe, it allows trauma to release. And it's about safety in the body. Say, I feel safe.
I feel safe.
I feel protected.
I feel protected.
Everything that you have been taught about how the body works, we disrupt every one of those patterns with what we're doing in minutes. Squat again. Super easy. Okay. We got you.
Okay.
Just let your body go.
Amazing. I keep going back to that word, but it was absolutely amazing to have that energy and have that field of love and energy around me was an experience of a lifetime.
Okay, Bob. Let's see if you're consciously okay. Okay, Bob.
Consciously okay.
Okay, Bob. Spell your name backwards.
I can spell it backwards. Bob, B-O-B. Thank you so much for everything you guys do, provide, and have the ability and the capacity for so much love for everyone, and being able to give back to a community, to a country, to a nation. This is an absolutely amazing experience, and you guys are amazing. I mean, every single one of you. Thank you very much. I truly, in my heart, am so blessed and grateful.
Try that squat again. Yeah, that's easy. Way better, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.